Okay, I got everything cleaned up in here. I got stuff moved out over there. I made a mistake here. These are for the. I'm going to put a clothes pole across here, like from there to there. And I thought that post lined up with the thing in the ceiling, but I'm wrong. It doesn't. So I need to buy another 2x4. Stupid me, to go there. To go from there down to there, and then I can put the post up there. So, anyways, but that's fine. I'm going to put the sticks in now. I guess you'd call them like floor joists, but they're not really. I mean, this has underneath here, you can see the nailing pattern here. So the joists in this place run this direction, and I'm going to put these sticks this direction, like there, and of course all the way around the edge as well. And then I'm going to put the 15mm plywood and then the 12mm flooring, and I'm also going to insulate it. I've got all the blue insulation there. Pitter patter. Laying a bead of construction adhesive down under each board, and I'll do the same on the plywood so nothing squeaks. Okay, it's nearly 7 o'clock and I'm going to call it a day. I got a new outlet in there. I changed the outlet there to a more modern one, and also it's over here, a new outlet in there. I ran the wires. There's a hollow spot underneath that board all the way along there, so I ran the wires along there, and a middle junction box under there. So tomorrow I'm going to put all of the sticks this way, and then put the plywood down, or put the sticks that way, then put the insulation, and then put the plywood down, and then the day after that I should be able to put the flooring in and be done. I also have to put I got this one post in here, I got to put another one in there, and then I can do the clothes hanger there, so it doesn't hang stuff on that very badly bent curtain rod there. It's amazing to me it stayed on there with those 4 little screws. Something else I noticed, the floor's not bad when I walk on it, but it does move a bit. And I noticed, especially in the middle here, there are quite a few. This was actually nailed in place. This was last renovated in here in 1985. And I know that because when I was renovating the apartment downstairs, and they were renovated at the same time, and I was taking out old drywall, and it had a manufacture date on it, so 1985. So this floor was actually nailed in place, and just regular nails, not even ring shank. So over the years of people walking on it, things have come loose, and so I took the time to go through and put new screws on. I re-screwed the whole floor, just because I figure it won't squeak. So all of the sticks are getting glue underneath them and screwed in, and then the plywood, when it goes down, it also get glued down, but the floor only gets glue in the grooves that connect the flooring together, otherwise the whole thing kind of floats. So yeah, so it's coming along fine here. It's a bit of a logistical nightmare because it's a very small apartment and there's lots of stuff in here, but anyways, so that's going to be it for day 2. It's actually only half a day today because in the morning I had a meeting and had to go do some other things, but the first day and today, that equals like maybe 1 day in total. So thanks for watching.